This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are steaming fish with fermented bean paste. I love this dish because of the salty flavour from the fermented bean paste and the slight spiciness from the chillies. But do remember to buy fresh fish. This makes a lot of difference to this dish. When buying fresh fish, make sure that the gills are bright red and there's mucus on the gills. These are indications of freshness. For this dish, I'm using a sea bass here that has been butterflied. To butterfly a fish, ask your fish seller to do this for you. If not, and a better way to learn cooking techniques is to do this yourself. Refer to my taucu steam sea bass video on how to butterfly a whole fish. The link to this video is in the description below. Alternatively, you can use fish steaks or fish fillets, but do adjust the cooking time to account for the difference in size and thickness. This is a sea bass or gimbak law that has been butterflied. Pour some Chinese cooking wine over the fish. This will help remove any fishy odour. But do remember to buy fresh fish at the first place. Set the fish aside while we prepare the other ingredients. For the fermented bean paste sauce, in a mortar and pestle, pound together chillies, garlic, shallots, and ginger. Pound all this till you get a fine paste. The exact amount is in the description below. You can do this using a blender instead. When you're pounding, don't do this in the middle of the table. Instead, position the mortar and pestle at the corner of the table that's directly under a leg. This is the most stable part of the table. Next, heat up a pan over medium heat. When it's hot, add in some oil. When the oil is hot, fry the pounded ingredients. Okay, so I've got tired of pounding. What I've done here is to put all the ingredients into a blender and blended it for a while. This is why the paste looks smooth and it's finer than when it's pounded. Most would agree that pounded ingredients do taste better, but the trade-off is time and effort. So you do you. Fry the ingredients for about 2 minutes or so. But remember to set it over low to medium heat, as the ingredients burn very easily. Then add in your seasoning. That's your fermented soybean paste or taucu, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. This sauce can be a little salty, so we are adding a little sugar here to balance out the saltiness. Give all this a good mix and fry it for about another minute or so. Once that's done, turn off the heat, remove, and set this aside. Next, let's steam the fish. Boil some water in a wok or a steamer. When the water is hot, put in the fish, cover, and let it steam over medium heat for about 6 minutes. When 6 minutes is up, remove the fish and drain off any excess water that is left on the plate. Return the fish to the steamer and spread your fermented soybean paste all over the fish. Steam the fish for another 6 minutes. That would be a total of 12 minutes altogether. When the 12 minutes is up, check to make sure that the fish has been cooked through. Garnish with spring onions before serving. This is fish steamed in fermented bean paste.